and welcome to our video on Newbook Online Sales. Newbook Online Sales pop a countdown timer on your website, counting down the time a discount is available for your guests to book. This creates a sense of urgency, promoting your guests to book now rather than potentially reviewing their options elsewhere. To create a Newbook Online Sale, simply type Newbook Online Sale into your search menu and add Newbook Online Sale. Enter a name for your online sale, like Flash Sale. If you want this online sale to require a code, select Yes. Select a discount from the drop-down menu. Select when the timer will appear on your website and when it will be counting down until. You can add text above and below the timer and view a preview of your sale below. When you're happy with this, simply save. For additional assistance in setting up this feature, or for any other FAQs, simply click the question mark icon on the top right to check out our helpful knowledge base for detailed step-by-steps.